Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you a simple fireworks effect. It's inbuilt, so you don't have to download anything. Let's just go to this position. So goal is scored and I start celebrating. Maybe we want to add it right here. You can find it under effects, open up video effects, and it should be where the celebrate category is. If you can't find it, just type in fireworks into the search bar. And there are currently 2 right here at the top. They're free to use. You can simply download them and then add them via the plus sign. Let me add the second one. I'll resize it here a little bit. And I'll make the first one invisible. So this one is more intense, but you can also adjust the intensity via atmosphere, and the speed is for the speed of the animation. Usually you don't want to have it that fast. When it's not enough for you, you can always stack them. So let me add the first fireworks effect to the second one, and then you can press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, paste them, reposition them a little bit so that they are random. And you can see this adds more and more of these effects. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.